Hello again. In this video, we will learn tell you, tell me, phone you, phone me, send or mail you, send or mail me, inform you, inform me, information, pay you, pay me, give you, and give me. Okay. Let's get to it. Okay, so some of these, one of these might have repeated. Two of these, it's okay, we're good. Okay, tell you, this, we had this before. Tell me, phone you or call you, phone, so like this is a phone, phone you, phone me, send or mail you, or yeah, send to you, send or mail me, so send to me, inform you, inform me, information, pay you, pay me, give you, give me, give me that one, please. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing, and I hope you enjoy my videos and my channel. Thank you. Bye.